If you're encountering a JioCinema error, we are unable to connect to the JioCinema service currently. Please try again later. Error code, #UN61. You can try the following solutions. Here are step-by-step solution for JioCinema error. First step, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or cellular data if possible. Second step, clear the cache and data of JioCinema app. To do this, long press on JioCinema app. Tap on info icon. And find storage. Then tap on clear cache. And tap on clear data, confirm to clear it, then go back and find permission. Allow all the permissions. Check if your problem have solved or not. Third step, update the JioCinema app. To do this, tap on Play Store or App Store. Search for JioCinema. Check if there is update. Update it. Fourth step, restart your device. Reboot your phone or device to refresh its settings. To do this, long press on device's power button. And swipe to restart it. Fifth step, try using a different device. If you are still getting the error, try using a different device to see if that resolves the issue. Sixth step, check for JioCinema server issues. Sometimes, JioCinema may experience server problems. You can check the status of JioCinema servers on websites like Down Detector. If you have tried all of the above and you are still getting the error, you can contact JioCinema support for assistance. Here are some additional tips to help you avoid JioCinema errors. Make sure that you are using a supported device. You can check the list of supported devices on the JioCinema website. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the JioCinema app. Keep your device's operating system up to date. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks whenever possible, as they can be less secure and less reliable than private networks. Use a strong and reliable password for your JioCinema account. By following these tips, you can help to protect your JioCinema account and avoid common errors. Thank you. Please subscribe to TechSoar.